How you doing? Vince here, Complete Home Remodeling. In this video, it's very short. I'm going to show you how to get a perfect corner after you're taped out. This is your second application, and this will be real simple to do. Here's what we're using. Using a 6-inch knife. I'm going to apply some mud to the corner. Okay, you're going to want to get yourself a corner tool, and obviously you're troughed with your spackle. So what I normally do, just to give you a quick idea, get it on there, go sideways with it. It's the easiest way to apply it. And you just want to go like this and just dab some out, and then smear it across. You can flatten that down a little bit, but not much because you want to have a little bit of depth. So do the same thing across your top, just to get an idea here. You know, just get some material that you can groom into this. I'm only going to do this one section here for you. And I think once the one section's done, you'll have a good grasp on what you need to do. Okay, so once we have some compound on there, real simple. And everybody does this differently. This is just how I do it. You take your corner tool, firmly press it into the corner, strike it over. Now I got a little excess on there, so we ran off a little bit. No big deal. It's not the first time. You just give it 1 or 2 strokes past. Now, that looks real nice, correct? But, however, we got a gigantic buildup here. So the easiest thing that I can tell you to do, to take that build-off off without screwing up your nice corner, clean your 6-inch. And when you run your 6-inch, you don't want to dig it in. What I always do is I put a little grace on it this way and get a little flex to it. So real quick, you just go like this, go across it, get a downward motion, which is like this. I don't go up into the corner. Same thing up top. And all we're looking to do is remove the barrel, which I've done there. Okay? So again, you just want to stroke across it, get that out of there, make it look real nice. There's your corner. Simple to do. Then when that dries, if you want to do another little application feather, you can. That'll reduce your sanding. Or you can let it alone because there's enough product in there just to give it a buff sand, and you'll be okay with that corner. So that's it. Real simple how to get a perfect corner without a lot of time, and try to drywall like the pros. If you like the video, please subscribe below, and don't forget to like this as well. Thanks for watching.